Hello, Korbanth Saber fans. I'd like to introduce the new Skinnyflex installed NeoPixel Saber. So once you unscrew the back end, you'll see an on-off switch, which you have to turn on and off to get it to function. Once you insert the blade, you have two buttons that control things. You have the side switch and you have the main button. This button controls the music and the light up function. This button controls the switching of fonts. So right now I have it on the first font, and what you want to do is if you want the music, you hold the button down and then let go. Make it switch fonts.
If you're not with me, then you're my enemy.
Young Ray. Lord Vader. I am your father.
Luke Skywalker.
The old man's gonna knock on the sky. Listen to the sound.
This is Lord of the Ring font Sauron.
These aren't the droids you're looking for.
This one's a fun blade.
This party's over.
Master Windu. I take it General Grievous has been destroyed then. I must say you're here sooner than expected.
In the name of the Galactic Senate of the Republic, you're under arrest, Chancellor.
Are you threatening me, Master Jedi?
The Senate.
I am the Senate.
Not yet.
It's hard to see, but it's a purple blade.
Scene C.
Pulsing blade. Pink blade. This is just a flashlight. This shows where your battery life is. So the further closer to the blade tip, the more juice you have. When this little light gets all the way down the bottom, it means you gotta recharge the battery.
What have I done? If you're not with me, then you're my enemy.
So there you have it. The NeoPixel Korbanth Skinnyflex, all installed with a 7/8" long blade. I'm sorry, 7/8" diameter, 36" long blade. Hope you enjoy it.